Hi guys, this is Infinity, and I thought I would show you today how I made this face shield. So this is a face shield to be used for when you want to wear eyeglasses or sunglasses, and even if you don't wear glasses, you can just wear your sunglasses or safety goggles. So the good part about this shield is that it's not permanently affixed to your eyeglasses. So you can swap out your eyeglasses to any pair that you want. So they're interchangeable. So if you have different lenses or you're switching from reading glasses to sunglasses, you can easily take a pair and just use any pair you want. So to start off, you're going to grab a page sheet. Okay, now this is a rather flimsy one. The one that I used to make this with was a little bit more firm. When you cut off, so it'll be open on one side, that side you leave as it is, and then you cut off the other three edges. This part comes off completely, and just trim this just like 1/8 of an inch from the edge. So one of these baskets will make 2 sheets. So when you have that done, you'll just have 1 sheet. Okay, and then you want to round off the corners on the bottom so they don't poke you in the shoulder or in the neck. That's very easily done with the scissor. And what I did was I put trim around all the edges because this way you can see it. You have more visibility to make sure that it's positioned correctly on your head. You don't want to position it too low like this when you're wearing it. So the way that I put the trim on was I just took ribbon, and this ribbon is folded in half all the way around the edges, like just folded in 2, like that. I folded it in half, and then I sewed it on a sewing machine. If you don't have a sewing machine, you might want to hot glue it on, or you could even label it with just color around the edges with a marker so you could see the edges. But I like the idea of having the edges encased in ribbon, just in case they are a little on the sharp side, that they don't poke you. So the way that we attach the eyeglasses to it is take 2 pieces of elastic, and they don't need to be long at all. So elastic like this, and if you don't have elastic, you could just use a little piece of any kind of stretch fabric. Even t-shirt material will work. So put on your eyeglasses and then decide where you want it to lay. So I recommend so that the top edge, which you can see now because you put some kind of trim on it, so that it's located above your eyes, preferably over and above your eyebrows. Okay, and then you just make a loop with your ribbon. Just make a little loop, so just about that much, about 1 inch, so maybe 1.5 inches, fold it over, and then I sewed, oh, let me show, there you go. So I sewed it on. You could see I have 2 seams. This is excess that I could have trimmed off. I have a seam here, so you want to create a horizontal pocket. Okay, a horizontal pocket with 2 seams. Now this is very, very tight because you don't want them to slip on your eyeglasses. I have a pair of framed eyeglasses where the side leg is very, very thick. If you only wear the eyeglasses where the sides are just a wire, then this can be narrower, but then you should leave it thick in case you want to wear it with sunglasses or, you know, a different pair of eyeglasses. So that's easy to do, and to get the elastic on, if you don't have a sewing machine, I really recommend just hand stitching it on. I don't think hot glue or anything like that is going to work as well. The trim you can do any way you like, but these elastic pockets should be sewn on in some way. And without elastic, if you're using t-shirt material, make the stretch go in a vertical manner. So when you're ready to wear it, you take the right leg, assuming you're right-handed, and put it in that way. Okay, then you're going to fold it in half. Now getting it on the other leg is a little bit more difficult. So this is on, and we gotta force it because it's going from the inside towards the outside. And this is a little bit difficult to put on, but it's worth it once you get it on there. Oops. Okay. So you should wind up with this. Okay. Now you put this on. If you got the elastic sewn nice and tight, that should work out just absolutely fine. And if it's loose and it's giving, then just go back and make another stitch and make it tighter. Now you can wear this in conjunction with a face mask, which I do recommend. This is just a cheap dust mask. I had a bunch of these that I used from cutting wood to keep the sawdust out of your face. I don't know if this is going to help with the coronavirus, but it's for demonstration purposes. So I recommend putting your face, your nose, mouth mask on first before you put your eyeglasses on, so that your eyeglasses don't fog up, so that your eyeglasses are actually holding down the white face mask. And then I have the plastic shield. So I have triple protection. I have one layer of protection for my nose and mouth. My eyes are shielded by my eyeglasses, and now my whole entire face is shielded by the plastic shield. And when you want to wear it again, make sure that you disinfect it both on the inside and the outside before you wear it again or before you switch eyeglasses. And it's a little easier to take the eyeglass out. It's a lot easier to take them out. And now I can disinfect this with wiping it down with any kind of sanitizer or washing it in soap and water the same way you would use to wash your hands. Okay, be safe out there.